Good evening, Islanders. Poodle Cantory coming to you live from Poodle's home down in Wilmington, North Carolina, and we are having a snowstorm, y'all. Yes, it's something that we very rarely see. So, the roads are pretty dangerous outside, y'all. It's about 25, 26 degrees. It's snowing. We've had sleet, so I suggest you just stay home tonight. Relax by the fire, drink a hot toddy, and snuggle. So let me see if I can show you the snow. Hold on. Okay, y'all. Well, Poodle Cantory. We are coming live from Poodle's home, and we are going back inside because we are cold. All right, y'all, stay tuned for more updates, and we will talk to our brother Jeff Cantory real soon. Over and out.